You're about to overpay for a car battery by 60 bucks. And the parts store clerk, he's counting on it. Look at this. An Everstart from Walmart runs you about $140. The premium name, brand one aisle over, 200 and up. Here's the kicker. Pop the tops off both, and the lead plates were poured on the same lines, in the same factories. The sticker on the side, that's the only thing that's different. 5 battery brands sit on the bottom shelf, and the clerk keeps walking you toward the name from the TV ads. But almost every one of these, they roll off the same lines as the batteries, charging you $50 to $100 more. Stick around for all 5, plus the 4 checks you can run on any battery to tell a real bargain. From a cheap mistake. Number 1, Everstart Max. Most drivers see the Walmart name and assume it is the cheapest possible battery. That is backwards. Everstart is Walmart's house brand, and the batteries inside those blue cases are built by Clarios and Eastpen, the same 2 giants behind the premium names one aisle over. Walmart skips the national ad budget and the brand licensing fee, music, and passes the savings on. The lead, the plates, and the cases all come off the lines that feed the expensive labels. Here's the proof. The Everstart Max runs around $140 with a 3-year free replacement warranty. It is one of the longest flat warranties in the market. Consumer Reports has rated it a best value pick for years, and owners routinely report 5 years or more of service. Next to a name brand in the same group size at $200, it is identical cranking amps, identical reserve capacity, and often the exact same manufacturer. You are paying $60 for the logo and nothing else. Number 2, Duracell Automotive. You know, the name from the copper top in your remote. So a Duracell car battery feels like a brand stretching into a business it does not belong in. The opposite is true. Duracell does not make this battery. It licenses its name to Eastpen Music, the Pennsylvania manufacturer behind some of the most respected lead-acid batteries anywhere. Eastpen also builds Deca, a near-legendary battery among mechanics and fleets. In many sizes, the Duracell and the premium Deca are the identical unit off the identical line. The proof is on the shelf at Sam's Club, where most Duracell automotive batteries live. A Duracell AGM in a common group size runs around $175. The comparable Optima nearby asks closer to $250 for a battery that does not test any stronger. You are buying Eastpen Engineering with a drugstore name, keeping the price down. The people who know this buy the Duracell and let everyone else pay for the sticker. And how this channel works? No battery company pays us a cent, no sponsorships, no brand deals. A brand only makes one of these lists if it survives the same 4 checks. If that is useful to you, subscribe. Those 4 checks turn you from a guesser into a buyer no parts clerk can upsell. First, the manufacturer date code, a stamped letter and number. The letter is the month, A through L, and the number is the year. A battery that sat on a shelf for a year before you bought it has already lost cranking power. So you want a code within about 6 months. Second, the cold cranking amps, or CCA, on the label. That is the muscle that starts your engine in the cold. Match or exceed what your manual calls for, because a battery quietly under your car's specification is a no start, waiting for the first freeze. Third, the reserve capacity, or RC, measured in minutes. That tells you how long the battery can run your car if the alternator quits. A budget. Battery that matches a premium battery's reserve number is telling you it is the same unit inside. Fourth, trace the manufacturer behind the label. Clarios or Eastpen means top-tier engineering at a discount. No traceable maker means slowdown. Run those 4 checks, and most of the gap between a budget battery and a premium one disappears in the parking lot. Back to the list. Number 3, Deca. Here is where it gets interesting, because Deca is not a budget label hiding a premium maker. Deca is the premium maker. Eastpen sells its own batteries under the Deca name direct, usually priced below the labels it supplies. That is why it shows up in so many independent shops and fleet garages. Half the brands on this list are Eastpen batteries wearing a different name and a markup. Deca is the same battery with the maker's own name on it. The proof is in the lineup. A Deca flooded battery in a common group size runs $140 to $170 right alongside or under the rebadged versions of the very same battery. The Deca Intimidator AGM competes directly with premium AGM names costing $50 to $80 more with the cranking numbers to match. You're buying straight from the factory that builds half the aisle. The drivers who figure this out stop chasing labels and buy the source. Number 4, Superstart. Superstart is the O'Reilly house brand, and most shoppers walk right past it toward a name they recognize. What they miss is that Superstart is built by Clarios and Eastpen, the same pair behind half the premium batteries in the store. Music Mutag, and O'Reilly's nationwide footprint makes the warranty almost frictionless. A budget battery is only a bargain if the replacement is easy, and with O'Reilly stores in nearly every town, a warranty claim is a short drive, not a mail-in headache. The proof is the tiered lineup. The Superstart Extreme AGM delivers premium AGM performance from the same makers as the national AGM names, while undercutting them by a noticeable margin. The Platinum and Value lines cover the same group sizes as the expensive brands at prices that routinely run $30 to $50 less. Same factories, music, same specs, a house brand price, and a warranty you can walk into a store and use. The Extreme line carries a 3-year free replacement warranty, the same coverage the premium AGM names offer at a higher price. And here's the practical tip most people miss. Bring your old battery for the core charge refund, usually around $15 to $20. So the real out-the-door cost drops even lower than the sticker. This is the battery the counter music guy installs in his own car. Number 5, Napa. Napa carries a reputation as the professional's parts store, so people assume its batteries must cost a premium. They do? Not. Napa batteries are built by East Penn, the same maker behind Decca and Duracell. Music, which means the trusted shop brand is quietly one of the better value buys on the wall. Now, let me be straight with you, because honesty is how you tell a gold mine from a trap, or music. Not every house brand is an East Penn or Clarios battery. For the third major maker, Exide, has had a weaker reliability reputation in recent years, and some budget labels are sourced from it. That is real, and it is exactly why the 4 checks matter. A house brand is only a gold mine when you can trace it to a maker like East Penn Music and Napa's batteries do. The proof is the comparison. A Napa battery in a common group size built by East Penn runs in the same affordable range as Decca and Duracell, while wearing the name your mechanic trusts. You get the professional grade reputation, the East Penn lead inside, and a price, music, well under the advertised national brands beside it. The shops that install these every day already know this is the brand the mechanic recommends, and then puts in his own car. The name on the case says professional, the price says budget, and the battery inside is the same East Penn lead either way. Skip the advertised name beside it, and the only thing you lose is the markup.